How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can delete a contact on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm opening the WhatsApp on my phone, and like I will choose this random number for deletion. So simply I have to open it, and from here I will go with the three dot just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply I am tapping on it, and from here I will select view contact. And here you can see there is no any options like to delete the contact from the WhatsApp app. So alternatively you can do this. Like you may know, the WhatsApp contact is directly linked with our phone number. So if you want to delete the contact from WhatsApp, you will have to delete from your phone contact. So simply I'm opening the contact list on my phone. So I'm clicking on it, and here you have to search that person name or number for the deletion. So simply I'm typing that name whom I was trying to delete. So simply I'm typing the name. Okay, so this is the number whom I want to delete on WhatsApp. So I have to delete it from here. Okay, so simply I have to tap on it. And from here I have to tap on this info icon. And from here you will have to go for the options like more, like it will see on the bottom right corner of the contact. So simply click on these three dots. And here you got the option to delete this contact. So simply click on this delete. Okay. So now the contact has been removed from my contact list on phone. So let me show you on the WhatsApp app. So okay. So as you can see, the contact with name has been removed and it's only showing the number from here. So simply you have to delete it from here. So simply click on this delete option. Okay, so simply click on this delete chat. So likewise, you can also delete a contact from your WhatsApp. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.